Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a comprehensive review of the Cuisinart 8-cup food processor, model FP-8GMP1. If you're interested in upgrading your kitchen arsenal, we've included a link in the description for you to check the latest price and availability. So, what exactly is the Cuisinart FP-8GMP1? This sleek, gunmetal food processor is designed to make your food preparation tasks easier and more efficient. With its powerful 350-watt motor, this 8-cup processor is perfect for everything from chopping vegetables to making sauces and dough. It's a compact yet robust tool that can significantly simplify your cooking process. Let's talk about some of its most important features. First and foremost, the 350-watt motor provides impressive power, making it capable of handling tough ingredients without breaking a sweat. The food processor comes equipped with reversible shredding and slicing discs that allow you to choose between medium and fine textures, giving you the versatility to create a variety of dishes. Another great feature is the 8-cup work bowl, which includes handy measurement markings. This makes it easy to add the right amount of ingredients without needing an additional measuring cup. The controls are conveniently rubberized and include options for high, low, off, and pulse settings, ensuring that you have complete control over your food prep. One of the standout features of this food processor is the integrated feed tube. This allows you to add ingredients while the processor is running, which is especially useful when making sauces or dips where you might want to incorporate oil or other liquids gradually. Now, who is this food processor suitable for? Whether you're a seasoned chef or a beginner in the kitchen, the Cuisinart FP-8GMP1 caters to a wide range of users. If you frequently find yourself chopping, slicing, or shredding ingredients for meals, this appliance can save you a significant amount of time. It's also ideal for busy families who want to prepare healthy meals quickly. Additionally, if you enjoy baking, this food processor can assist in making dough or mixing ingredients seamlessly. Let's discuss some practical use cases. Imagine preparing a fresh salad for your family. With this food processor, you can quickly slice cucumbers, shred carrots, and chop lettuce in a matter of seconds, allowing you to focus more on enjoying your meal and less on prep work. Or perhaps you're in the mood for homemade pesto? The Cuisinart FP-8GMP1 can handle herbs, nuts, and garlic with ease, giving you a delicious sauce without the hassle of manual chopping. Cleaning up is also a breeze, as the parts are removable and dishwasher safe, making post-cooking cleanup a lot less daunting. Just remember that the blades and discs are sharp, so always handle them with care and refer to the manual for setup instructions and safety tips. Lastly, it's worth mentioning that this model comes with a limited 2-year warranty. This gives you peace of mind knowing that you are covered in case of any issues. Plus, it's BPA-free, which is a significant consideration for health-conscious cooks. In conclusion, the Cuisinart 8-cup food processor FP-8GMP1 is a versatile and powerful kitchen tool that can elevate your cooking experience, whether you're whipping up a quick meal or preparing for a family gathering. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.